So good morning, my name is Shalom Nachshon. I'm a co-founder and CEO of Catalyst AgTech, offering a solution to make harmful pesticides environmentally friendly. Pesticides are critical to produce enough crops needed to meet or to answer the ever-growing demand for more food. Without pesticide, about or maybe more than 50% of crops will be lost. However, persistent pesticides contaminate our precious groundwater, and this is why regulators limit pesticide utilization. Banning pesticides has a devastating impact on crop yields, and it increases food prices and reduces profit for farmers and agrochemical companies. Catalyst AgTech's innovative technology solves this conflict by matching and adding a unique catalyst to a specific pesticide to create a self-destruct mechanism. This mechanism decomposes the problematic molecule, however, only after the essential job is done. And by that, it significantly reduces or even prevents groundwater contamination. We successfully identified, developed, and tested effective catalyst for atrazine and for metallochlor, two of the mostly used herbicides today in more than $1 billion market. Catalyst AgTech solution enables farmers and agrochemical companies to keep benefiting from atrazine and metallochlor without contaminating groundwater. These lab results show a few dozen pairs of persistent pesticide, each one with its matched catalyst marked in red that degrade the problematic molecule. And this chart, one more confirmation to advantage of our technology, shows an accumulated test result where the half-life, or what the regulator calls DT50, of persistent pesticide is reduced on average from 170 days to about 70 days. And this is significant in the breakdown of problematic molecule to harmless compounds. Another goal was achieved last year in field trials conducted with corn and atrazine, following a comprehensive experiment that ran for 2 months with 4 new formulations and 160 plots. The new formulations showed no toxicity to the crops and did not affect the activity and efficiency of the active ingredient. Our patent is approved in the US and in Australia. It opens market opportunity, especially the tremendous market in the US, and it smooths the approval of these patents in other countries. Pesticides are already a huge market, and it is growing all the time. Due to the fact that top 10 leading agrochemical companies dominate about 90% of the market, it is relatively easy for us to address and to access our potential clients and partners. Our strategy is to join forces with these agrochemical companies and to benefit from funded co-development and from revenue sharing. Following this business model, we signed an agreement with Adama. This cooperation validates the potential of our technology and of our market approach. We are proceeding with the development while the commercialization terms are already agreed upon. And we expect many more such agreements to follow. This is it for today. Thank you.
What is the regulatory landscape to accept this technology?
Regulation-wise, of course, we or our partners, the agrochemical companies, would have to register and to submit it to regulation and to get approval. But again, we have a good indications that due to the fact that the catalysts are non-toxic, quantities are small, and it's done for a noble cause, most probably it will be relatively, it's never easy, but relatively easy with the regulator to accept this technology.